Good morning, children. Today we are going to do in grammar chapter 4 using a and an. Using a and an. In the first session we had seen how to use a and an. Now in the textbook we are going to do this exercise. We have to read these letters out. Read these letters out. A, you can see over here, capital and small, both the letters have been written here in the box. We will read that first, okay? So you all have to read with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now what here it says that will read 2 number. Look at the letters in red. Read them aloud again. Write them in the blanks given below. Now over here we have to look at the letters which are given in red. So it is A, E, I, O, U. Now you can see over here A, E, I, O and U is there. What are these? These are vowel. Now we have to write them over here in the blanks. So A, E, I, O, U. Now these letters are called vowels. All the letters are non-vowels. Those we have circled are called vowels. What are they called? Vowels. And remaining letters B, C, D, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these are called consonant. What are these called? Consonant. And those who are in red are called vowels. Now we'll go to the next page. We use A before a non-vowel and N before a vowel. A plus A word beginning with a non-vowel, a boy. A boy, you can see over here it is a B. It is not a vowel. So we'll say a boy. N plus a word beginning with a vowel, and elephant. You can see over here E is a vowel. So we have used N over here. What we have used? We have used N over here. So an elephant, and over here we have written only a boy. What we have written? Only a boy. You can see over here picture of an elephant. Over here it is a picture of a boy. So it is a boy and this is an elephant because it is a vowel. Now we'll go to the next page. We'll see more example of A and N. Example A cat, a rug, a boat, a shirt, a phone, an egg, an ear, an orange, an airplane, an umbrella. All these are N words. What are these? A and N. And all these are vowels. See, you can see E, again E, O, A and U. All these are vowels. So we have written A and N. A cat, a rug, a boat, a shirt, a phone, an egg, an ear, an orange, an airplane, an umbrella. Now let's practice. Tick the correct answer. Now what we have to do in this, we'll see that A and aunt. Now where you can see an aunt is sitting on a chair. A and N is given, 2 boxes are given. Now we have to put a tick to the correct answer. So A and N we have put a tick. Why? Because aunt, aunt is there, and aunt A is a vowel. So we have to put a tick on A and N. Okay, B. A and classroom. Now we'll put a tick on A. Why? Because it is C. The classroom word starts from C and C is a consonant. It is not a vowel. Now again next one, A and computer. So again computer starts with C. It is not an vowel. So it will come A computer. A classroom. D. A and umbrella. Now you can see U is there. What is there? U is there. It starts with vowel. So we have to put an N tick. A and N. Over here A and eagle. E is also a vowel. So we'll put a tick on E and N eagle. A and truck. 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 So A is, we have to put a tick on A because T is there. It is not a vowel. It is just a truck. So we'll read again. An ant. A classroom. A computer. An umbrella. An eagle. A truck. Now we'll see what is this exercise. Matching it is. Match A and N with the given words. Over here A is given, A and N is given. Now one example is given, shown over here. A and N, so it has drawn a line to egg. Why? Because E is there and it is a vowel. What it is? It is E. So A and N will go. Now we have to see which letter matches with the word A. So A is what? A, baby. It is only a B. It is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So we'll say A, baby. A, baby. Now another is what? A and egg is over ant. A and ant. So ant is also a vowel. It will go with A and N because it is A. Then next word is owl. So an owl. What it is? An owl. O is also a vowel. Then next word is fish. Fish ka F is there. It is not a vowel. So it will be a fish. It will go to a fish. Then last is what? Ice cream. So an ice cream. Why? Because it is a vowel. A, E, I, O is there. So it is a vowel. We'll say again a baby, an egg, an ant, an owl, a fish, and ice cream. I hope this matching you have understood. We'll go to the next page. Fill in the blanks with A or N. One has been done for you. Now over here we have to just write A where it is necessary and N where there is a vowel. First one is done. An egg. What it is? An egg. Why? It is a vowel. A game. G is not a vowel. It is only a G. So it will be a game. An orange. O is a vowel. So it is A and N. A cutlet. So it starts with C. So only A will come. A broken egg. B. So it is only simple B. An easy game. E. E is a vowel. A sweet orange. S. S is a not a vowel. It is a consonant. An oily cutlet. O is a vowel. So you can see, we'll read again. An egg, a game, an orange, a cutlet, a broken egg, an easy game, a sweet orange, an oily cutlet. Now we'll go to the next page. Read the sentences given below. Read the sentences given below. See how A and N have been used. Read the sentences given below. See how A and have been used. I am a teacher. Only here simple A is written. Lajjo is an elephant. Why A and N is written over here? Because E is there. E for elephant and E is a vowel. Meera is a dancer. Only A we have written over here because D is there and D is not a vowel. So again we will read. I am a teacher. Lajjo is an elephant. Meera is a dancer. Now go to the next exercise. Now use a and suitably in the given sentences. One has been done for you. Where we have to use a and n in the sentences. First example is given. Menu has a cat. So only a we have written. Yesterday I saw an animal. We have written an over here because a is a vowel. My father is police officer. Now your P is there. So only A will come. The hen laid egg. E is there. So again A and N will come over here. What it will come? A and N. India is dash large country. Only L is there. So A will come because it's not a vowel. I am from Nepal. I have an Indian friend. I is a vowel. So Meenu has a cat. Yesterday I saw an animal. My father is a police officer. The hen laid an egg. India is a large country. I am from Nepal. I have an Indian friend. Fill in the blanks with A and N correctly. Then read the sentences out to your friend. Over here same exercise is there of A and N. I got a gift yesterday. So A I've written it is a book because B is there. B is a consonant. It's not a vowel. So A. Gift ka G is also a consonant, not a vowel. So A. Do you have dash extra pen? Now over here you can see E is there. So we have written A and N. I have a pen. Now over here simple P is there. P and pen. But it does not write. So again we will read. I got a gift yesterday. It is a book. Do you have an extra pen? I have a pen, but it does not write. Now I talk to dash owl outside my window. Have you heard dash owl speaking? So A and N because O is a vowel. A and N again here O is a vowel. So 2 times it came A and N. My sister is a dancer. She is also dash teacher, art teacher. So A and N. First my sister is a dancer because D is a consonant, is not a vowel. She is also an art teacher. Here A is written, so it is a vowel. So A and N will come. I saw dash otter. O is a vowel on the television. So we'll write A and N. It was eating a fish. It is F only. So we have written only A. So we'll read again. I talk to an owl outside my window. Have you heard an owl speaking? My sister is a dancer. She is also an art teacher. I saw an otter on the television. It was eating a fish. So, dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. You have to write this exercise with neat and clean handwriting in your grammar textbook. Thank you.